What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Ghostly Vault. Guys, tonight I have an exciting video. It is Pop Mart's brand new item, One Piece, the Grand Line Vehicle Series. Everything looks a little bit better versus this shit. Winging everywhere. Guys, there is the brand new sealed case. Each ship comes with wheels on the bottom, which will help glide it across the surface. And there's the second one. Got the polar tang once again. There's the third one. Oh man, what a classic. There's the ship. There's the ship. They captured the detail, the theme, the vibe. And there is Moby Dick. And there's a close-up of Oro Jackson. Look at the detail on that. It is completely empty. Subscribe as always, guys, and I will see you on the next episode of the Ghostly Vault. And remember, collect what haunts you. Cheers.